Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting slash workroom. As you know, I've been really super busy working on numerous projects and putting them into my Etsy shop, and things are going really well. I've gotten like 5 orders already, so thank you all for that. I'm excited. I'm thinking about going live and just having you guys work with me while I do that. So if you're interested in seeing how I do these things, then certainly go ahead and let me know down below in the comments section, because I would love to show you how to start your own Etsy shop if you're interested in doing that. Also, I want to show you some new things that I have for the craft room. I'm really excited about one thing that I got today. So I will preface it like this. So my husband and I go to this furniture store, and we've been going there for probably the last, I don't know, 15 years. And every time I go to this store, they have this bedroom set up like it's a whole bedroom set that's set up. And I've wanted this one particular thing from that bedroom set for the last 15 years. And today I got it. So anyway, because we had to go there to talk to them about something with our own furniture. Anyway, I'm going to ramble, but not before I show you this. So I'm just going to flip the camera and show it to you. That, my friends, is what I have been after for a very long time. This is a pink rug, and I know it doesn't do it any justice right now. But I want you to know that there is pink sparkles in this rug. It is absolutely phenomenal, and I love it. So I know it looks like it's a little silvery or whatever, but it is actually like a light pink, and it has like really pretty silver specks, and it looks kind of glittery. It is gorgeous. So there you can kind of see the little strands, and then as I pull up, maybe you can see the color. I'm not really sure, and I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to do this without tripping. There's some of the pink, so you can see that. That's the color pink that it is throughout, but because of the way the lighting is hitting it, it isn't showing you all of the pink. So that is the newest addition to this room, and I am very happy and excited about it. When I saw that today, I was like, I'm taking that home. I am no longer waiting. So it is here with me, and it is going to stay. So the next thing that I wanted to show you and talk to you about is Mighty Hoops. So it's actually snap hoops, the monster snap hoops. Now, you have seen me use these. These are magnetic hoops. And I used it to do this design. Now, my design is puckering because I've messed with it. So anyway, I wanted to show you. You guys did vote on this. I asked about this, and you said that you unanimously wanted me to make a bag out of this. So that is what we're going to do. We're going to make a bag out of this embroidery design that I have done. This design is from Joann Banko, and I got that from Dime Designs in Machine Embroidery. So, and the title of it is Just Jackets. So I will link down below so that you can pick that up as well. I am an affiliate for Dime. So if you make a purchase through my link, I will make a very small commission. It is free to you. It doesn't cost you anything. As a matter of fact, all of my affiliate links are free for you to use, but they do help support this channel. So if you choose to purchase through that, then I am so greatly appreciative of that. But I wanted to show you this. So this is the 9.5 by 14-inch magnetic hoop. This is the first hoop that I ever purchased. And I purchased it when I was trying to embroider using quilting designs, as you know. So you want to be very careful with it because it will snap your hands. So in your fingers. You want to be careful. But I swear by magnetic hoops. I'm just saying. They are game changers. Especially if you have a hard time hooping with a regular hoop. or if you have arthritis in your hands like I do. And now that my thumb is even more messed up after falling and having a cast on it, this really has come in quite handy. So this is the large one. This fits the Brother Dream machine, and I believe the Luminaire, and not really sure about the newer machines, but you would need to check. And they have that on their website at Dime. So if you want to get one of these for yourself, you can just go on there and look at the Snap Hoop Monster, and it will tell you if they fit your machine or not, and your model. They make them for all the machines and different makes and models. So there's that one. So while I was there, I was like, well, I need to get a couple more because I absolutely love these monster hoops. So this one that I got is a 7x12, and this fits the Baby Lock Brother. I'll just show you before I start taking off all the packaging here. So 7x12 inch, and we'll just unbox it right here. I haven't opened it yet, as you can see. So this is a first, and it comes with instructions on how to use the machine, I'm sorry, how to use the hoop. Oh boy. And then you get some of these cool like Target stickers that come in handy. So you can put those on your hoops, and also rulers to put on the sides of your hoop. Now, I didn't put them on my original one that I have, and so I probably will do it on these, but we'll see. Not sure. It comes like this, and it comes with this board in between so that you don't snap your fingers off. Again, it's, you know, it's magnetic, so you want to be careful when you're using these, but trust me, you will be glad that you bought these. These are worth your money. If you have an embroidery machine and you're concerned about, you know, your hands or whatnot, these are amazing. So this is the 7x12. Goes on just like that. It's 2 pieces. This is the back side. Okay, so there's that one. And then got all these. I have all these boxes. Trash man's gonna love me this week. This one is a 5x7. Now I decided to go with the 5x7 because the 5x7 seems to be like the most common size hoop that I find myself using. To be honest, I use a 5x7 hoop all the time. And it's nice that, you know, you have the bigger hoops and whatnot, but, you know, most projects just really, I find, don't require you to have that large of a hoop. So if you're just starting out and you're not sure of what size, you know, to get, if you're not a real serious embroiderer yet, or, you know, you're new to embroidery, then start out with the 5x7, because honestly, you can make almost everything with a 5x7 hoop. All right. So that's what this looks like. It's just this one piece, and then you have this piece. This is what hooks into my machine, and so this is how I put this on. Just goes on like that. Watch my fingers. Bam. It's done. So just goes on perfectly. Keeps your stabilizer nice and taut when you put it on, and it just holds all your layers together. So I love these. How many more times can I say that? So like I said, if you are interested in them, then go ahead and grab some of these. This is just the packaging that came with the 5x7. It's got the little rulers in there again, and then the little stickers. So definitely check it out. I have 3 of these now. I have the largest size that I can get for my machine, the second largest size down for me. Now I could have bought, there's another size that's larger. I want to say it's an 8 by 8 or an 8 by 12, something like that. But I really feel like the size hoops that I have here are really going to work the best for me. So, make sure you go and check it out. Get the ones that work best for you. I will link below to my link to Dime. Um, like I said, this design here that I stitched out is by Joann Banko. It's called Just Jackets. I will also link to that. There are numerous designs on this. You can put them on jean jackets, on jeans, on shirts, on bags, on whatever you want to use it for. And it's just absolutely beautiful. This stitched out so beautifully. And I did stitch this out on my brother machine. So turned out amazing. And then the next thing that I wanted to show you, in case you haven't been following along, is that I have been making some new items for my Etsy store. I have stocked up on soft, minky type fabrics so that I can start personalizing baby blankets and quilts, especially since we're going into baby shower season. Maybe you've thought about starting your own Etsy store. If you have, let me know down below in the comment section, and I will do a tutorial on how to maybe start one of those up for you. This is a little dress that I did. I did a tutorial on this. I have learned, this is a learning curve for me as well. Her nose should be white, but the way that this is all stitched out is, I can't do it. So it's got to be pink. So I am working to correct that. And then also I'm adding personalization. So the name is going to be on here as well. So I will share that once I finish that. If you're not following me on Instagram or Twitter or TikTok, you really should be. Same with Facebook. I'm on all social medias. And I do a lot of tutorials on my TikTok. They're just little short stints of things that I'm working on in here. And so it's a lot of fun. So go check it out if you're on TikTok. If not, don't worry about it. It's fine. I understand that not everybody is on there. So no big deal. These are shirts that I've been working on for the little guys. Also, I'm going to be putting their names on here. I just thought they were really, really, really cute. So I wanted to share them with you. Again, they're in my Etsy store, Crafty Author Boutique. So check it out. This one is for baby onesies, because I have a lot of baby onesies that I would like to embroider on. And so this little design goes on there. And this is also able to be personalized for a baby. So yeah, that is what I have. I did kind of give a sneak peek in my last video when I did the little tutorial for the little dress. I am currently working on a rag quilt that is in order as well. It's Harry Potter themed. As you can see, I love this fabric. I think it's adorable, especially for a baby. And then I have these little flowers, which are going to be the square that goes next to this fabric. And I am hoping that I have enough fabric so that I can make 2 of these and then sell one of them in my Etsy shop as well. And then again, with this super, super soft fabric. Oh, this stuff is so soft. I don't want to part with it. It's so cute. But this is the backing for that blanket. So soft. So that is what I have been working on in here. I am also working on, like I said, the baby blankets and things like that. I got some of this really soft woodland animal fabric. This is really soft, like cuddle fabric. So much of it. I mean, I bought a lot of it. Joann's had it on sale. It was, I think, half off. So that's when I usually pick that up. So anyway, I do have a business license, and I am starting to kind of venture out a little bit and see if I can get different kinds of fabrics from different resellers. So one thing at a time, right? It's overwhelming sometimes, I'm just saying. So anyway, that is all that I have for today. If you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, then go ahead and please subscribe by clicking on that little bell, and you will get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. You can actually select when you want to be notified, if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video or just periodically. But you probably want to click every time because I upload some pretty cool stuff. Just saying. And keep on crafting. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye-bye.